Here's the Daedalus wallet. Similar to your Roy, you'll have to just set a few of your personal preferences when you first open it up. For now, those look good to me. I'll go through the terms of service. And similar, once again, to your Roy, I have the option to either create a wallet or restore one. This is the button I would click on if I have lost my device and need to recover that wallet somewhere else. And this is also, once again, the button that somebody who has access to your private keys can use to get access to your wallet. Notice here that when it comes to restoring a wallet, you can use Daedalus even if you had a Yoroi wallet or a hardware wallet. Okay, so I just want you to know that these different methods all talk to each other. They're all interaction points for the same blockchain, for the same information. And that's why, just like we saw in Yoroi, you're going to see a few different ways to restore a wallet. But for now, all we're talking about is creating one. So let's do that. Once again, I'm just going to call this Starter Kit 000. I'm going to write a simple password because this is for demonstration purposes only. And then I'm going to create the wallet. There's a disclaimer once again, just like there was in Yoroi. There's a countdown to make sure I have time to read this. Please make sure you read this. Please understand. Once again, I'm going to reiterate the essential nature of your seed phrase. And then when you're ready, go ahead and write that down. So just like we did before, I'll pause to let you do that. Okay, good. So I've got those written down. Once again, I'm going to verify this phrase. Notice this time that I'm not even choosing from a list. So here's one example of how Daedalus is just a little bit more secure than Yoroi. The recovery phrase is 24 words instead of 15, and I'm not choosing words from a multiple choice list. I'm actually typing them right here. So I'm not going to make you watch me do this. I'm going to do this and come right back. And that's great. Okay, so I've successfully and correctly rewritten my recovery phrase. Once again, I should not be putting these words in public right now, but I'm never going to put funds in this wallet, so it doesn't matter too much. I can check these boxes just to show you what this looks like, and here I am inside of a working Daedalus wallet. Now, one difference you're going to see here is that, check it out. I get this message. The balance and transaction history of this wallet is this % synced with the blockchain. I didn't see anything like this in Yoroi. What's happening right now is this is downloading the entire history of Cardano, the entire blockchain, to my computer right now. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so that's going to take a little while. We're going to let that go and then just take a look at some of our options here. And then it's going to be time to go actually secure some ADA, to go buy some somewhere. And we'll talk about the options for how to do that. So I'll see you when this Daedalus wallet is synced. And my new Daedalus wallet is all systems go now. Cool. It took about 90 minutes for this to sync up with the blockchain. That's always about what it takes the first time. And that's actually way faster than it used to be. The teams behind Cardano have been working really hard to make this work faster and more efficiently. But I'm on residential internet. Took about 90 minutes. If it takes more than that, don't worry. I mean, this is a lot of data, and so it takes some time. In Daedalus, just like in Yoroi, you're going to see send and receive buttons. Check it out. In receive, you can see that this wallet has all sorts of different addresses attached to it, and you can actually generate more anytime, okay? This helps you maintain some level of privacy, right? So you're not just using the same address all the time. And notice these are public keys. This is not the same thing as those secret seed words that we looked at a few minutes ago. These are public addresses. These are like IP addresses or email addresses that you can give to other people to allow them to send funds to you. If you ever do want to send to somebody, you would take an address like one of these, drop it into a field like this, and say how much you want to send. Okay. You can also make additional wallets. If for some reason you just want to have some money here and some money there, you could do that, right? Add wallets. You can give each one whatever name you want when you create it. Okay. Just know that every time you do that, you got a new seed phrase to secure. Okay. So if you have 5 different Daedalus wallets, you're going to have 5 different 24-word phrases to make sure that you're keeping track of. Okay. Over here on the left are some other tabs. Don't worry about the ITN if you're just getting here now. That was kind of that was the test net before Cardano went live. And you got some settings here, obviously. But the rewards tab is really interesting. The second one from the top, this is where you would go to stake. Okay, so I don't have anything in here to stake right now. I'm going to show you staking in Yoroi in just a moment. Okay, but you can do a little bit of research. You can look for a pool. Where's Zoe? Oh, that was weird. Proof of Africa, for example. I could see some information and a link, and I could choose to delegate. Okay, cool. So that's the Daedalus wallet. Now that we've got this set up and synced up, and of course your seed phrase is protected and safely stored somewhere, hopefully in more than one place, okay? Now let's go ahead and get some ADA.